എടുത്തോടാ.
Good morning, dear students.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you all?
Fine.
Fine, miss.
Fine.
Have you had your breakfast?
Yes, miss.
Okay. I hope all of you are staying safe at your home.
Yes.
Isn't it?
Yes, miss. Miss.
Okay. Today we are going to learn a new poem. Are you ready?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
We all know that dream and desire are two important things which are special to human beings. Isn't it?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Do you have dreams?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Of course, everyone has got dreams. Great people and poets have dreams, greater dreams than ordinary people have. Now let's discuss a poem titled Song of a Dream, written by the Indian poet Sarojini Naidu. Now let's have a look at the basic information about the poetess. I will show you a profile of the author. I want one of you to read the profile. Are you ready?
Yes, miss. Yes, miss.
Can anyone read? Can you see it?
Yes, miss.
Can you see it?
Miss.
Yes, miss.
Jasmine, can you read?
Yes, ma'am. I will. About Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu, also known as Sarojini Chattopadhyaya, was a famous Indian poet and a major freedom fighter who went on becoming the first Indian woman to be appointed the president of Indian National Congress and the governor of any state in India. Most of all, she was a noted child prodigy and a master of the children's literature. Naidu was given a sobriquet Bharat Kokila, the Nightingale of India, on account of her beautiful poems and songs.
Okay, Jasmine. Okay, we have discussed about the poet. So Sarojini Naidu was an Indian poet who is gifted with beautiful poems. Her most important collection include The Golden Threshold, Bird of Time, then Broken Wing, etc. And what is the peculiarity of her poems? Do you know? It is rich in rhythm, and we can sing the poem like a song. We can enjoy the poem. Okay. Now, also, she is known as the Nightingale of India. She was given the sobriquet, the Nightingale of India, or Bharat Kokila. Okay.
Okay, miss.
Okay, now all of you take page number 55. We shall move into the poem. All of you have textbooks?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Okay, well, listen carefully. Song of a Dream by Sarojini Naidu. Once in the dream of a night, I stood, lone in the light of a magical wood, soul deep in visions that poppy-like sprang, and spirits of truth were the birds that sang, and spirits of love were the stars that glowed, and spirits of peace were the streams that flowed, in that magical wood in the land of sleep. So this is the poem. Have you noticed it carefully?
Yes, miss.
So in the poem, the poet Sarojini Naidu is visualizing her dream. She is standing alone in a magical wood. The vision of the wood was like a bloomed poppy, and her soul merged fully and deeply in that vision. Is it clear?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Okay. And here we can see metaphors, the poetic devices used in the poem. And I will explain the metaphor. And spirits of truth were the birds that sang, and spirits of love were the stars that glowed, and spirits of peace were the streams that flowed. The poet heard the songs of birds that were spirits of truth. So the poet compares the song of the bird with the spirit of truth. And also the poet saw glowing stars that were spirits of love. So she compares love with the spirit of, the glowing stars. And thirdly, she senses the flowing stream with the spirit of peace. She says that the flowing streams are like images of peace, and all that she experienced in that magical wood in the land of sleep. So, my dear students, this is a very beautiful poem. And have you noticed the last line of every, last word of every line? It is, we can see the rhyming words.
Yes, miss.
Okay, miss. Yes,
Stood,
miss.
wood, sprang, sang, glowed, flowed.
Yes,
We
miss.
can see the rhyming words.
Okay, miss.
Okay. So we have come across the figure of speech, the poetic devices like metaphor. And also in the first answer, we have another figure of speech such as simile. What is a simile?
Comparing
Family.
two things with as or like.
Comparing two things using like or as. It is known as simile. In the poem, the poet describes the vision of the wood. The magical wood was like a poppy sprang. Here, poppy means a small flower. So the poet compares the magical wood with a poppy sprang. Okay?
Okay, miss.
Okay, miss.
Okay, miss.
So I am concluding my class. Before that, I will show you a video.
Okay, miss.
I will show you a video. Can you see the screen?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
But it has no sound, I think. So that is the video. So now, can you see me?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
That's the video. Unfortunately, it has no sound. So now I will give you an activity. Are you ready?
Yes, miss.
Miss.
Yes.
So discuss the relevance of Sarojini Naidu's Dream, in the present scenario. So that's the assignment. So you have to come in the next class with this assignment. So I am concluding my class. Hope all of you have understood the poem. Thank you all.
Thank you, miss.
Thank,
Miss.
thank you, miss.
miss.